Thank you, Mr. Sharma. Today we have amidst us the Principal Secretary of Sports and Youth Welfare and many more, Mr. V.S. Bhaskar. So first up, I'd like to invite him to this mic and speak a few words on this occasion. Please, sir.
President of Assam Mountaineering Association, Learned Advocate General Mr. Fukan, my colleague Swapnil Barua and Madam Mrs. Bhuiyan, and my dear colleague Dhruva Hazarika, distinguished participants and members of the media and press. It's indeed a great occasion for me to be present here because mountaineering itself is a very eclectic subject. It's not known. No wonder it doesn't find patronage because people don't know actually what is it all about. In fact, if you see the channel Man and the Wild in the Discovery or something, Man and the Wild, that kind of in a program, you will understand what exactly is involved in mountaineering. So it's an expensive hobby. It's a very difficult hobby. It's actually a marriage between an adventurer and the nature, a fury of nature actually. That's you can find that the late Rohini Kumar Bhuiyan, whose passion was mountaineering, he had given his life in an avalanche. His passion was so much that he ultimately sacrificed his life at the altar of his own passion. So it requires a lot of guts. It requires adventure. It requires understanding of the nature. Many of us don't know. I can plead guilty. I don't think I have really climbed anything except some temple stairs. I think that itself was a challenge, so I can understand. It not only requires physical endurance, it requires a spirit of inquiry, a spirit of probing into what is unknown and unsaid about the nature. Because every climb and every adventure to master a mountain is a new experience altogether. I don't think you can borrow something and then copy it into the next mountaineering expedition. And there are a lot of people here who are experts in mountaineering, so I'm sure they will appreciate, they would have experienced it. I won't talk much because Angaj Gautam has given me a few words. I don't know, I must have crossed 500 words. And I also see Angaj Gautam going the way Harsha Bhogle, a close friend of mine, has gone. This guy speaks well. So I think apart from mountaineering and all other skills, you can keep anchoring and speaking also as one of your hobbies. I wish you well. And well, I would like to congratulate the AMA. I would like to congratulate Mr. Satyan Sharma for having assumed position as the president of this association. I think he has some vision for it. We had met Colonel H.S. Chauhan, who is the president of the Indian Mountaineering Foundation in Delhi. I had spent quite some time with him, with Mr. Satyan Sharma, Dhruva Hazarika was there. And I think some things good should happen, God willing, and all the bureaucratic red tape and nepotism, whatever it is, willing or getting whittled down by people like me and Dhruva Hazarika and Swapnil. I think we will try to do something, make it happen. I'm sure when such good wishes are there, I'm surprised at the number of people here. It shows that there's a lot of patronage, there's a lot of understanding. Because when a man goes to conquer a mountain, entire family is behind him. So this is all families, I see. It requires to be supported. I'm sure government will support. And as a representative of the bureaucracy, I would seek the help of the political masters, the Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Minister of Sports, the Honorable MP who is very much amidst us, and such people who will have to help us in giving all the support required for Assam Mountaineering Association and the spirited members of the association and the expeditionists. I won't say much. I wish the association all success, and thank you very much for this opportunity. Bye.